Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we're taking a close look at Tutu puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek from Germany and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Tutu puzzle was made using two different types of wood, American walnut and zebrano. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 4 pieces inside the frame in such a way that there will be no parts above the opening, and all pieces will be inside the frame below this line. So this piece is not in a solved state, so you have to remove all parts first and then put them all back inside the frame. This puzzle has 4 pieces, and if you take a closer look at all 4 of them, you will find why this puzzle has its name, since 2 parts have the shape of a letter T and 2 other parts have the shape of the letter U, and together they make this 2, 2, and that is the name of the puzzle. This puzzle requires some very interesting moves to solve it, and it is not so easy to find these moves. I am a big fan of puzzles made by Dr. Volker Latusek, not only because his puzzles usually have unique solutions, but also because of his attention to the details. He designed this puzzle in such a way and asked Pelikan to make this puzzle in such a way that the texture of pieces when the puzzle is in unassembled state will match, and all texture will go from left to right. Since, for example, this piece could be made in a different way and texture will go from down up or on a diagonal way, but here the texture of all pieces matches, and that makes this puzzle look a little bit better. The solution is another part of Dr. Volker Latusek's puzzles that is always very interesting, always quite unpredictable and unexpected, and you have to spend some time before you will find it. As I told you, it requires some very tricky moves to fit all parts inside the frame. So if you like how the Tutu puzzle looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.